Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to PC Malamjabba. Surrounded by snow-capped peaks, lush pine forests, and rolling meadows, Malamjabba is a paradise for nature lovers and a top destination for tourists from around the globe. At an altitude of 8,700 feet, this stunning resort offers a perfect blend of modern comfort and breathtaking natural beauty. Skiing enthusiasts flock here to experience Pakistan's premier ski resort, where well-groomed slopes cater to both beginners and professionals. The thrill of skiing against a backdrop of pristine white landscapes is unmatched. PC Malamjabba is more than just a resort. It's a complete destination. From cozy accommodations and delicious cuisine to thrilling activities and serene surroundings, it's a place where unforgettable memories are made. The Chairlift ride is a must-do experience, offering panoramic views of the valley below. Whether in winter, with the snow creating a magical wonderland, the views from the top are absolutely mesmerizing. Come to Malam Jabba and discover the true beauty of Swat Valley.